Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in for today's video. Let's go ahead and get started. I always have to do my intro, so if you're new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We talk a lot about fashion, beauty, and makeup on my channel. And if you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. I do appreciate the support, not only here, but across all of my social media platforms. So as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that I'm making the content that you guys enjoy watching. Comment any questions that you have about today's product below, or any of my videos, or any questions that you have, not only here, but on Instagram. Feel free to chat with me there. And if you haven't subscribed and you like my videos, and this is either the first one you've seen or not the first one you've seen, then consider subscribing. Alrighty, let's talk about today's video. I have all of 5 minutes to make it, so we're going to keep it short and sweet. I was in CVS the other day, and I saw that LA Girl, their Pro Matte Foundation, it came in several of the darker shades at the CVS near me, so I figured I would bring one home and try it out for you guys. So it's not quite a full wear test. I really just want to try it and see if the color is the right color, so I figured I'd film it. So I'm going to be honest, I've actually already tried to film a video using this, and the footage was very bad. So I'm redoing it. I've got my camera out. I was trying to shoot on my iPhone earlier, so I have seen the foundation. I have an idea of how to apply it. It is a scotch too light for the start of fall, but I think it's going to be a great color for like real fall / winter. So yeah, that's my little disclaimer before we get into the video. I don't want to like ooh and ah and act surprised. Sorry, my phone's off. All right. What I realized about my phone, it's that I turn my phone off. It's that I don't turn the volume down on my laptop, and everything talks to each other. So my bad. All right. So I'm going to put like half a pump on my hand just so you guys can see. So yeah, it does look a little light. And yeah, that's kind of what it is. So this is like half a pump. I don't even think I'm going to use all of this on my face. I might. So it's going to look a little light. I will say when I tried to film with my iPhone, just the front camera, like the camera that's facing you when you're on the phone, is not the best quality, which I think everyone knows, but you have to have your lighting like pretty good in order for the video to come out nice. And it just didn't look good. So, and I put way too much foundation on. So yeah. I will say what I've realized when I've watched makeup videos, and you guys comment if you agree or notice this, like if you already have really nice looking skin, it doesn't really matter what you put on, it's all gonna look good. So my skin has cleared up a lot, even as I'm like catching myself in the viewfinder. I can tell that the foundation doesn't look bad, but I've done a lot to kind of clear up my skin. So I'm happy to do a video and kind of show you guys what that has looked like for me, but I don't think this foundation is going to look super bad. So, and the little bit that I put on does look really good. And that's another thing. When your skin is pretty clear, you don't need to put a lot of anything on. So that kind of gets on my nerves a little bit. All right, this is not like a chit chat video, but it does kind of get on my nerves a little bit. Like if you already have flawless foundation, there's no point in me watching a foundation wear test on you because it's going to look great anyways. It's not super helpful. Oh. This is a Dior 12, I think it's a foundation brush. It's from the Backstage collection. This brush is really bad. It's about 50 bucks at Macy's if you really want to try it out, but I don't recommend it. So this is what the foundation looks like. I'm going to check myself out in the viewfinder while I show you guys left or right. So it doesn't quite cover up my hyperpigmentation. Like I said, it's a scotch too light in order for me to just pack it on. I only used about half a pump for my entire face, and I'm comfortable with that. I have lupus. I don't talk about it a lot on my channel, but if you're new, you definitely wouldn't know. And if you're not new, you probably definitely wouldn't know. So that's what this is right here. I'm actually much more comfortable filming and shooting videos and like photos and stuff without covering my lupus. So I think, I don't know, it's just like a couple of weeks ago, I was like, whatever, it's there. I'm not going to cover it up anymore. I'm sick of that. So yeah, that's what that is. I really don't expect any products to cover it up. So I do think if I like use color corrector like here and here, that hyperpigmentation would be covered up significantly more. But like I said, I'm not going to build this up. I already know it's a little too light. I didn't really even have to blend it down into my neck too much. So that's why I think it's a pretty good match for fall and winter. And the bright side is I was only like $9 at CVS. So I'm going to apply a little bit of powder. It's one of my favorite powders. It is the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It is awesome. I don't know when this video is going to be up, but I'm going to New York for the Gin Beauty convention conference, whatever you want to call it. So I got to figure out what makeup I'm going to take. So I might do like a travel makeup video just so you guys can see kind of how I pack. And I might do like a what's in my bag travel edition for New York. So we'll see. Or I might combine them all into one so you guys aren't watching 2 videos on the same topic. So I would say comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. But I think I would have already been out of town by the time I film this and this goes up. So I probably will make a video on it. All right, guys, so that is the end of the video. I really do like this foundation. I don't think I said the shade name. It is Caramel. So there are actually like a couple of shades darker than this. It wasn't even on like the last row in the like little shelving display. So it's not a perfectly, you know, complete shade range, but I think you might be able to find your shade. I have a neutral undertone, so this matches me pretty well. So you might be able to find your undertone as well. Definitely, if you have a CVS near you, go ahead and check it out. It's only about $9. It's super cheap. That is really nice. I think it looks really good on camera. So I'll probably wear this for light makeup days. Even if I go to the office and I don't really feel like getting super dressed or anything like that, I might try it out. I'm going to be filming for most of the day and I've got to go to the doctor's pretty soon. So that's why I'm not doing a full wear test. If you guys do want to see how it wears throughout the day, just leave a comment down below and I will post on my Instagram like my selfie at the end of the day so you guys can see when I do my product review for this item. So that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with anyone that might enjoy it. And yeah, have a great rest of the day. I will see you guys later. Bye.